I heard you fancy folks was looking for amazing finds at Dollar Tree. And when I tell you they deliver, word to the mother and the brother, check this out. When I tell you that Dollar Tree is coming through the way they do, oh yes, honey, they coming through exactly the way they do. Honey, when I come to Dollar Tree, had absolutely no intentions on some of these items. Honey, got a whole bag. You want to stay tuned for this Dollar Tree haul? Oh, yes. Fancy, fancy, Nancy moving our feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets. Yeah. Honey, we are family. Okay, listen. Did you guys happen to see this? I didn't even know the lady was. Did you guys happen to see this? This is the Snackle box. Get into it, Linda. They have the USA. And then as you can see, you can put grapes up in here. You can put candy. You can put whatever it is to float your boat. Okay? Because just, honey, this is your show. Now, these are really gorgeous. $3. Absolutely love this. Fancy 4th of July theme. Honey, we moving like Lancy. So I'm going to just show you these fancy, pantsy, mancy items at Dollar Tree. Starting off for you and me. Did you guys see these? Absolutely gorgeous. These are the 4th of July disco tumblers with the cowgirl hat. Oh, yes. Honey, the cowgirl hat don't come off. Now they have another color. Check this out. Hold on. All right, now I said it don't come off. Duh, honey, it do come off, because how would you clean it? This comes off, but you can screw it back on. This is, honey, this makes it even more fancier. All right, really, really cool. They also have these star tumblers over here. I absolutely love these. These are gorgeous. They have the solid colors like the blue. They also have the red down here at the bottom. And then they also have the 3 colors. Now, what I absolutely love about this, if you guys are hosting a July 4th cookout celebration, honey, come to Dollar Tree and get your decor, because these are fancy to say the least. Boy, do I have some goodies to show you fancy folks. Now listen, you're going to need a pen, a pencil, an eyeliner to write these items down. You don't want to come to Dollar Tree and forget exactly what you came here for. You know, in some cases, that's a good thing. Check this out. Oh, I heard you fancy folks wanted a phone grip. Now, Dollar Tree has Garfield phone grip. They also have the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle phone grip. Now, it says, try me pull to grip. Also have the Smurfs, and then they also have SpongeBob SquarePants. Now, you may say, Dina, okay, come on, you listen, these children these days, they be having phones at the age of 3. Right? At the age of 3, honey, it's like they come out the womb knowing how to work the phones. This candle got me saying, honey, honey, I can see the stars all the way from here. Ooh, fancy. Apple cinnamon. Be on the lookout for this at Dollar Tree. When I tell you that the deals are moving and grooving, look at these gorgeous crystal bottles, okay? This is really, really fancy. Honey, absolutely love these. Move your pantsy. They come in different designs. To be exact, it's 2 different designs. They also have this one as well. Ooh, this is giving exactly what it's supposed to give. Absolutely love this. Let us know in the comment section, would you prefer this one or would you prefer this one? Me, I'm definitely liking this one. $1.50. Have you guys seen this? Okay, so let's talk about this. This is a laundry detergent. It's called Dapple. All right. Now, it's powered by green plants. Okay, by plants. Now, baby detergent, lavender, natural essential oil, concentrated formula, 50 loads, hypoallergenic. Listen, Dollar Tree is out here showing all the way out. When I tell you Dollar Tree is selling all types of things, I mean they selling like all types of items. Check this out. So Dollar Tree has the insect bite suction tool. Oh my goodness. Help soothe bug bites quickly. Easy to use. Safe, simple, effective. This is for ant bites, bee bites, and mosquito bites. Okay, it's going to help suction, you know, whatever they put up in you. Now, another item that Dollar Tree has is this. So Dollar Tree also have the bug bite relief patch, aloe and witch hazel infused, soothing scratch guard. Oh, honey, you get 12 of these for $1.25. Honey, we just, just steal deals like Holyfield out here. We talking all things Dollar Tree, okay? New finds, amazing finds at the tree. Dollar Tree has the vitamin C hyaluronic dark spot cream. This is a body cream. Replenish, it moistures, it says brighten the look of uneven skin tone, targets wrinkles, sun damage, all right, and dehydrated skin. This is $1.25 for the 21. This item I cannot stop talking about. If you're looking for a cleaner ingredient at Dollar Tree, vegan, no harsh fragrances, honey, I got you. Check this out. So I cannot stop raving about this. This is the Hydro Shine lip gloss. They comes in different colors. This is from Mineral Fusion. Now, I absolutely love these. I brought 3 of these, okay, different shades, different colors. Now, vegan, gluten-free, paraben-free, artificial fragrance-free, no harsh ingredients, and this is $1.25. When I tell you this is an amazing deal for $1.25, when these normally go anywhere from $9.99 and up. If you girls are looking for eyeliner, I'm going to show you the best thing at Dollar Tree when it comes to the eyeliner. Now, hold it. It would definitely be this. Now, this is, of course, a name brand. This is Cookie. On a Looky Lucky. This is $1.25. This is a gel eyeliner. Color black. Absolutely love this. This is actually black silk. It goes on effortlessly. Is amazing. Love this. I heard you fancy folks was looking for amazing finds at Dollar Tree, and when I tell you they deliver, word to the mother and the brother, check this out. So Dollar Tree has the pumice stone toilet cleaner. Honey, they are giving all types of fancies. Removes rust, lime scale, and hard water stains. $1.50. I tell you that these finds right here are absolutely amazing. I mean, they are hands down amazing, to say the least. And look at Cookie. So Dollar Tree has the handheld scalp massagers, and I definitely purchased a green one last time. Honey, it is so good. They have different colors. They have the green. They also have the beige over here as well. And then they also have this brown. This is really fancy. $1.25. You want to clean your scalp, massage your scalp? Honey, this is where it's at. You staying at a Tenderoni house, okay? You spending the night. That's just, your MO, right? Now, Dollar Tree has these amazing finds that are really inexpensive. Absolutely love this, hands down. Check this out. So Dollar Tree has these boxer briefs. Yes, honey. Rocking with the best. So one pair you get, they have different sizes. They have the small, the medium, and also large. They did have the extra large in these, but honey, I guess the people done brought them up. Now, if you folks are looking for some thick socks that's going to capture your feet sweat, honey, it would definitely be Ellie, okay? And Ellie is a name brand. Dollar Tree has, you get 6 pairs of Ellie socks for $6. Honey, $1 a pop. Honey, we call that a steal deal. And I tell you that Dollar Tree is coming through the way they do. Oh, yes, honey, they coming through exactly the way they do. Check this out. So Dollar Tree has the silicone teethers. These are so freaking adorable, honey, from Be Pure Lies Dead. So they have the strawberry one, and then they also have the avocado, $1.25. Now, Dollar Tree also brought back these Ziploc bags. The freezer one over here, okay, 13-gallon bags. They also have the mini one, 17-quart bags. And then, of course, they have the storage bags as well. Love this. Really, really good. $3. Honey, if you have really thick hair, Dollar Tree has this extra large cloud satin scrunchie. Oh my goodness, this thing is huger than huge. I don't know what. This is $1.25. Still deal like Holyfield. Look how long this thing is. You have thick hair, not short hair, thick hair, long hair. This is definitely for you. I brought 2 bags. So Dollar Tree has these new popcorn, okay? Pop Creations, chocolate and vanilla flavor. Lucky cookie, naturally flavored, it says. Vegan. These are $1.25. Honey, this is the last bag because I definitely brought 2 bags. Okay, we gonna get us a go, Joe. Now, if you guys are looking for a soft ice, when I tell you these are great snacks, especially it's about to be warm, honey, these taste absolutely delicious. I tried the cotton candy. I had brought about 6 of these. We have the cotton candy, and then also the watermelon. Really, really amazing. $1.25. I have not tried the watermelon yet, but I had brought one for me, one for my youngest daughter, my youngest son. Honey, still deal like Holyfield. If you guys are looking for some ramen, the best ramen noodles I absolutely love is definitely going to be these. These are the gourmet spicy. Oh, they taste so good. Now, if you're a person who don't like heat, you may want to get out of the kitchen with these. Now, if your children are into comic books, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be with these comic books. Dollar Tree has the DC comic books. They have things like Green Lantern. They also have Little Batman, Rebirth, okay, of Green Lantern. They also have Superman, Aquaman, and then they also have the Task Force, $1.25. All right, family, let us know in the comment section what were some of the amazing finds that you've seen in this here video. Mine's definitely was those soft ices, those, excuse me, if you get to Dollar Tree, they taste absolutely amazing. Also, the lip gloss that they have by Mineral Fusions. Oh my goodness, Florence, the color orange, hands down, chef kiss. Also, the USA Snackle box. Oh, that was fancy pantsy, wasn't it? Honey, I didn't even know the lady was behind me when I was recording, okay? Now, with that being said, make sure you guys rock out, believe in yourself, keep going, keep growing. Until next time, peace.